Have you ever wondered how a high-yield savings account can benefit you? Let's break it down. A high-yield savings account, as the name suggests, is a type of savings account that offers a higher interest rate compared to your typical savings account. Picture it as a supercharged version of a regular savings account. Now, where can you find these high-yield savings accounts? They're offered by a variety of financial institutions, including banks and credit unions. Just like a superhero, each institution has its own unique set of powers, or in this case, interest rates and benefits. So we've established what a high-yield savings account is and where you can get one. But you might be wondering, what's the big deal? Why should I consider a high-yield savings account over a regular savings account? Good question. To answer that, let's dive into the benefits. Now, you might be asking, what's in it for me? Well, the benefits of a high-yield savings account are numerous. Firstly, the most enticing benefit is the potential to earn more money over time. The magic here is in the higher interest rate. A regular savings account may offer a minimal interest rate, often less than 1%. However, a high-yield savings account amplifies this rate significantly, allowing your money to grow at a much quicker pace. This means that every dollar you deposit is working harder for you, padding your savings without any extra effort on your part. Next, let's talk about safety. In a world full of financial uncertainties, it's comforting to know that your money is safe. High-yield savings accounts are typically insured up to a certain limit, offering you peace of mind that your investment is protected. Lastly, flexibility is a key advantage. Unlike other high-interest accounts, high-yield savings accounts typically have fewer restrictions on withdrawals. This means you can access your money when you need it, without the worry of penalties or fees. So whether you're saving for a rainy day, planning a big purchase, or simply want to grow your wealth, a high-yield savings account is a powerful tool in your financial arsenal. But how does a high-yield savings account actually work? Let's demystify the process. Understanding how high-yield savings accounts work is integral to maximizing their benefits. Let's dive into the mechanics of these accounts. At the heart of a high-yield savings account is its interest rate. This is the percentage of your balance that the bank pays you for keeping your money with them. This interest is typically compounded, meaning it's added to your balance, and the next time interest is calculated, it's done on this new, larger sum. This process can occur on a daily, monthly, quarterly, or annual basis, depending on your bank's policies. Now, high-yield savings accounts often come with certain requirements. Some banks might require a minimum balance to open an account or maintain a certain balance to earn the high-yield interest. Others might require monthly deposits to keep the account active. It's crucial to understand these requirements to avoid any unwanted fees or lower interest rates. Opening a high-yield savings account is typically straightforward. Most banks allow you to open an account online or in person. You'll need to provide some personal information like your social security number and address, and make an initial deposit that meets the bank's minimum requirement. In a nutshell, high-yield savings accounts work by offering you a higher interest rate in exchange for keeping your money in the bank, often subject to certain conditions. Now that you know how it works, it's time to consider if a high-yield savings account is right for you. So, is a high-yield savings account the right choice for you? This can be a game changer for many, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Let's see who stands to gain the most from these accounts. If you've already built a solid emergency fund and are looking for a way to let your money do some heavy lifting, high-yield savings accounts are a perfect fit. They offer greater returns on your savings, helping your emergency fund grow even more robust. Maybe you're saving for a big purchase, like a house or a car. High-yield savings accounts can accelerate your savings goals, bringing that dream purchase within reach sooner than you might think. Or perhaps you're simply someone who wants to grow their savings faster. With a high-yield savings account, your money multiplies while you sleep. The key here is to consider your financial goals and current situation. A high-yield savings account can be a powerful tool in your financial arsenal. It's all about making your money work harder for you.